Today we're adding something to the tailgate of my F-350 to make life much easier. Do you struggle when you got your hands full trying to put that heavy tailgate down? Rough Country has a solution for you. Alright, today's project, tailgate assist. What is this? Lets me let my tailgate down without having to hold on to it. So the tailgate doesn't drop. The tailgate's heavy. If you got your hands full, you can just open the tailgate and let it come down on its own power. It's got the parts here that come in the kit. Detailed instructions. This kit is from Rough Country. You can see on the shelf itself, Rough Country. Tools you need: T50 Torx, T30 Torx, 10mm wrench. Now don't laugh at me. All I got's this old torque wrench for a 3/8. All my tools are back in Virginia with my son. But this will work. $10mm. Found it. This plate here is going to go on here, and that bolt's going to come through the plate right there, and this one's going to fasten down. I think it's only one bolt. Isn't a big deal, I don't think. Doesn't concern me. Heck, I've put stuff together that required to have 3 and 4 bolts and put one bolt in it because I can't find half the crap. This one only calls for one. Well, maybe it'll be alright. Okay, well, I guess that's tight. Come on out of there. Okay, that wasn't difficult at all. So there you go. Top bracket, bottom bracket, So now I can just pop it open. Look at that. Man, that is nice. That's exciting. You know how many times, just like you, I've walked up with hands full. If you only got a finger, you can pop it down and just let it go. Man, it's increased the value of my truck $1,000 at least, right? Maybe. Oh man, I'm loving that tailgate assist. Taking this tub to the dump, pizza box. Tailgate assist is so nice when you got your hands full. Yes, I paid for this part. Rough Country didn't send us squat. I bought this part to put on because it is just that awesome. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I know it's quick, but that's a quick little accessory that you can do, upgrade, whatever you want to call it, to your truck. It's well worth it. Until next video, peace out.